John Baldessari, Read, Write, Think, Dream, 2001.
John Baldessari is internationally renowned as a conceptual artist and a teacher. And he'd been thinking about Ghiberti's bronze doors in Florence that tell Bible stories in high relief, teaching the moral lessons of the day. He wanted to make a contemporary version, and we searched around the campus for various doors. The library doors are clearly the most traveled through doors on the campus, and John came up with this idea of bringing students into the picture. So we had a graduate student take photographs of many students. Then John chose the ones that he wanted to put in the windows, standing like caryatids, holding up the building, like Greek columns. And then when you go inside, you cross through the doors, which are red, yellow, blue, the primary colors. And as they open, you get orange and green, the secondary colors. And you look straight across at photographs of seated students. And then there could be real students sitting on the benches, beautiful benches made by Roy McMakin, another UCSD grad who's become an important artist. Now on your left is a mural of pens and pencils, the instruments of learning. And above the door on the left there is a small image of a computer, another instrument of learning. Then if you turn around and look through the palm trees, windows, doors, and walk through there, you will see a mural of the ocean with surfers, where we are here in San Diego, but also the world beyond San Diego.
And the whole entrance of the building at night looks so different because of this piece. You see it from the inside, the way you see stained glass, and then from the outside at night, the whole front of the building becomes a kind of animated lantern, especially with the moving back and forth of the doors, the way they change color, and the figures of the students moving in and out in front of and behind their images in the glass facade.